I'm Emily Barnes, and I'm the Associate Dean for Faculty Practice and Community Engagement and a Clinical Professor at West Virginia University. This article describes the transition of the lab component of an advanced assessment course from a face-to-face modality to an online modality and our evaluation of that transition. There were a lot of factors that contributed to that decision. Certainly COVID was one of them. In spring of 2020, we had to make an emergent change to an online modality. And we decided to move forward with keeping the lab component online because of some of the benefits for our students. And also at that time there was a lot of uncertainty about what restrictions might be in the future related to COVID. So we wanted to have a little bit more control about the learning environment. And we've also noted that our students are coming from a larger geographic region, and so that expanding footprint is another contributing factor for us. And in the face-to-face lab, the faculty would give on-demand and sort of ad hoc verbal feedback to our students, where they would answer questions or they would see a student needed some guidance on performing a skill and provide that verbally. And we knew that feedback would be really important to continue to give students in a formative way when we transitioned to online. So each faculty member was required to give substantive written feedback when students submitted their video demonstrations. The student performance was really comparable. There was no statistically significant difference in the skills proficiency scores at the end of the semester between the two groups. Students received the online learning modality pretty well. They were satisfied with their learning, and they felt confident in their ability to perform the skills of advanced assessment, and they were also satisfied with the faculty presence online.
My name is Billy Vance, and I am a clinical associate professor at the West Virginia University School of Nursing, and I am the director of the MSN and DNP programs here at the school. This article is important because there is an increasing number of advanced practice programs that are moving to or have already moved to an online format, and a physical exam is a requirement of these advanced practice programs. And traditionally it's been taught in a face-to-face, hands-on modality, and because we're moving to an online format, it's really important for faculty to be able to have something to review, evidence to say that it's actually effective to teach it in an online format. And currently there is very limited information about teaching advanced assessment skills in an online lab. Thank you for taking time to read our article. We hope that it's helpful for you in your academic endeavors in the future.